Is Cursor the VS Code killer? We built a real app to find out. AI coding tools are everywhere right now, but most demos feel scripted, polished, and honestly, unrealistic. So instead of another toy example, we decided to test Cursor the way real developers actually work. We started with a simple goal: build a working app using vibe coding. No copy-paste shortcuts, no pre-written templates, just natural language prompts and real development flow. First, we opened our project inside Cursor. Right away, the experience feels familiar if you've used VS Code before. But the difference shows up the moment you stop writing every line manually and start describing intent. Instead of scaffolding files one by one, we prompted Cursor to generate the structure of our app. Within seconds, clean, readable code appeared. And surprisingly, it matched our requirements really well. Then came the most impressive part: multi-file awareness. We asked Cursor to update logic across multiple components, not just one file, not isolated edits. It understood the broader codebase and applied coordinated changes automatically. That's when vibe coding starts to feel powerful. You're not thinking in syntax anymore. You're thinking in outcomes. Of course, no real dev session is complete without bugs. So we introduced one on purpose and asked Cursor to debug it. Within moments, it pinpointed the issue and suggested a fix that actually worked. Minimal tweaks, clean solution. That felt impressive. Now, is it perfect? Not yet. Like any AI assistant, Cursor still needs clear prompts and developer oversight. But when it comes to speeding up repetitive work, refactoring safely, and navigating large code bases, the productivity gains are very real. So here's the verdict. Cursor isn't replacing VS Code overnight, but it is changing how modern developers build software. And if you're working on fast-moving products, MVPs, or large JavaScript code bases, vibe coding with Cursor is absolutely worth exploring. Follow Bugendai Tech for more real-world AI development insights.